all is well. It's good to take a breath. It's a safe place. We're going to do a little groovy tune if you guys are cool with that. Yeah? All right. This song's called Campfire. And it's about some of my favorite times in the whole wide world. I hope you guys like it. So I thought it was time for me to write another sad song. You know, something everybody can sing along to, like them true blues. Like the culture does with all these news crews. But they just been telling me stories of struggling, humbling moments, been wondering, where were the dreams tumbling down? I'm good at the half-glass empty assessments. I got the problems bigger than measurements. I got these sorrows for days. So good at running in place. So I'm loving with faith. I think I learned to hate. Wait, when did I change? When did I trade all my goods for these bad thoughts? Like all of my haves for the have-nots. Like my laughs for the tear. I only got 30 years under my belt. Yeah, it's been years since I felt any optimism. Sorry about me locked in a prison and given the decision I'd rather write about a simple victim who's just with And I wish that wasn't the case. I wish I had different words I could say or different words I could pray to help me and bless me. Need some tissues. Sometimes I feel like life is simply burning to the ground. But I miss this town that would fire. Like when it was only a reminder of a campfire with my good people sitting around. See, I forgot about the sound, the pumping, the cracking. That satisfaction of sitting back and watching these flames burn so slow. Red Star, it's okay to take it slow. We're gonna still have these issues with us tomorrow. Days that are filled with sorrow and I don't know what tomorrow holds. But I know I won't get down if I don't try to breathe. Even my soul might never rest no peace if I don't let go. Follow my punch hole. I give up on all that's in my reach. Let the choir preach. Bop, bop, da, 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 da. Bop, bop, da, 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 everybody to know that there's a plan, a purpose, and a destiny from your life. You're all chasing dreams. I think we can make it. I think we're going to be all right. You know that? So just take a breath wherever you're standing. Take a sip of your beer. And just breathe. And we're going to sing it. It goes like this. Let go. Let go. Let go. It's really off key. Let go. Let go. Let go. You guys all right? Mind if we keep playing a little bit of music? Well, this is our last song we've got for you guys. Wish we could do more. I mean, this is all we got. You guys, well, maybe we'll mash it up. Maybe throw some extra songs in there. You guys, see these Good Company T-shirts right here? They're pretty sweet, right? They can be yours for $19.99. No, for real though, I am selling T-shirts. But I'm working on a song. In fact, next weekend I'm flying up to South Carolina to finish this song so that we can put it on Spotify and iTunes and make it go viral. And hopefully, I don't know. But the whole premise of the song is simply good company. I believe that you show me your friends, and I can show you where your future's going. All right? And it's good to keep good company in your life. People that challenge you, people that push you on to chasing those dreams and saying, hey, you got this. Get up. Keep going. But I just wrote this for my friends. So the people that are wearing those shirts, those are my friends. And you guys are also my friends by being here tonight. So welcome to the first meeting of Good Company. You guys are all in. But I cannot, Paulie, I can't have you just stand there and just chill. This song is a dancing song. All right? Yep. So throw the hips side to side, the head up and down. But this one also requires crowd participation, and I get a little crazy on this one because it's about my homies, and I think they're pretty great. I'm going to stop talking. This is Good Company. Thank you.